Hey everyone, the Amazfit Active 2 is a stylish and feature-rich smartwatch that blends premium design with advanced health and fitness tracking capabilities. Initially launched in North America, it has now expanded to European markets, making it accessible to a wider audience. Designed for both casual users and fitness enthusiasts, the Active 2 offers a balance of aesthetics, durability, and functionality. The watch features a 1.32-inch AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 2000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. Its stainless steel body adds a premium touch while also enhancing durability. Amazfit offers two versions of the Active 2, the standard model, which comes with a black or red silicone strap, and a high-end variant that includes a sapphire glass screen protector, a black leather strap, and an additional red silicone strap for versatility. Health and fitness tracking are at the core of the Active 2's appeal. It comes equipped with the Amazfit BioTracker 6.0 ppg biosensor, which improves blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. The watch also features enhanced sleep tracking algorithms, providing more detailed insights into sleep quality. A barometer is included to track altitude changes, and new sports tracking capabilities now support winter activities like skiing. The watch is designed to cater to high-performance athletes and fitness lovers, with over 160 sports modes, including automatic strength training detection that tracks reps, sets, and rest intervals. Additionally, it offers support for Hyrox races, a growing global fitness competition. For those who rely on navigation during outdoor activities, the Active 2 includes offline maps with turn-by-turn guidance, powered by 5 satellite positioning systems for improved accuracy. Health tracking features extend beyond basic metrics, incorporating heart rate variability monitoring, Wild.ai integration for menstrual cycle tracking, and a daily readiness score that evaluates physical and mental recovery. Battery life is another strong point, with Amazfit claiming up to 10 days of use under normal conditions. The smartwatch also integrates with Zepp Flow, allowing Android users to respond to messages using voice or text commands. In terms of pricing, the standard Amazfit Active 2 is available for €99, while the premium version costs €129. While the smartwatch is now available in Europe, Amazfit has not yet confirmed additional regional launches. Overall, the Amazfit Active 2 is a well-rounded smartwatch that delivers a premium design, strong fitness tracking features, and intelligent health monitoring at an affordable price. Whether for casual wear or high-intensity training, it offers a compelling mix of style and functionality, making it a strong contender in the smartwatch market. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new watch? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.